Malo jopuonj JSS 200 mawuok e Mombasa obago ng'anyo ka giywago pek magikali e puonjo e kinde magintiere skul. Jopuonjgo wacho ni noketgi chiwo puonj ne somo magionge go gi lony, ka giwacho ni ma ok nyal ka ok losi to kit somo no dichochne higa mabiro. Jopuonjgo kokalo e riwruok mar Kupet dwaro mondo jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Mashogu odonjo los chenro mag somo no kod keto chenro mag ndiko jopuonj obed makare.
A teacher of English and literature who has been converted to be a prophet, teaching all the subjects in the junior secondary school, whereby I don't even know what I'm teaching in those other areas. Another thing is about the stipend that we receive from the TSC. As the interns, we are supposed to get 20,000, which has a deduction, and when it came to salary increment, we were not included in the bracket, but we were included when the deductions came.
Kuwa asitenge, asiplan, atende. So January 2024, hawa walimu wako confirmed under PNP na wapelekwe kwa senior secondary schools so that they can get the resources that you needed.
The number of interns in Mombasa County that have not been confirmed is 220. These are the interns that were employed to teach in junior secondary schools. They are not sufficient. It is a drop in the ocean. We want more of them to be employed and on permanent and pensionable terms.
Governor